Hello, good evening. This is where I live in Doha. This is called Abu Hamur Petrol Station. We have fast food, Burger Kings. Look at the name, Abu Hamur Petrol Station. Man, yeah, Abu Hamur Petrol Station. The Burger King is here, complete with amenities and facilities that you need. On the side is the Pizza Hut, the gasoline station here. There's the McDonald's. On the side is KFC. Of course, you can't see the name, but this is the petrol station. Beside is the Grand Shopping Center. Very far. Yeah, these are my friends. Mr. Roel and Mr. Rice. The Nepali.
Okay, go.
Yeah, we're going home now. See you on the next episode of my video. Bye bye.